Trust me, it's so much easier hitting your caloric target when meal prepping as opposed to eating out. Last video, I showed you guys what it's like eating out all day and still trying to hit your caloric target. I didn't really like doing that because first, the food didn't sit well with me. 2, it wasn't as accurate as compared to when I meal prep. And 3, it was so much harder for me to hit 3,300 calories when eating out versus if I just prepped the meals by myself. Now, obviously if I was eating nonsense, it'd be way easier to hit 3,300 calories. But when you're trying to eat healthy foods, it's not the easiest when you're eating out all day and still trying to hit your target, especially if you have a high caloric maintenance level as well. So today we're gonna hit 3,300 calories, except this time they're gonna be much cleaner. Check it out. So we just got a back and biceps workout in. Now we're gonna have our first meal of the day. I prep my breakfast the day before, which some of you might think is disgusting, but it saves me time because in the mornings I'm just in a big hurry. So I have a real heavy breakfast and you'll see it's about 1,800 calories, which is a lot. And then I have a much smaller lunch and a smaller dinner because I keep moving throughout my workday, so it's hard to get a bunch of calories in during work. So I really fuel up outside of my work hours, which take note because a lot of people don't stick to their diet because they don't make their diet fit their schedule. You have to know what obstacles you face throughout your week and when you can get your best meals in, when you need to snack. Meal prepping will also help you prep for your week, literally. So let me show you what I got for breakfast. So we got 2 sausage links, 4 eggs, and a hefty shake. The shake is almost 1,000 calories. Total, 1,800 calories. Comment below and I'll show you how to make a 1,000 calorie shake. We also had half a bagel. But not just any bagel, an everything bagel. Hey, Obi, you want some egg? Come here. Also, super important, you can't forget your water. This is something I struggle with. Sometimes I don't get enough water throughout the day, so I'm reminding you, as I'm drinking my water, to drink your water as well. It's good for you. Cheers. And we're back. So, snack time. Got a protein bar, 200 calories, and some almonds, 160 calories. Most importantly, though, we got our water, 0 calories. Cheers. So, we got the most broiest of bro foods right here. Say that 3 times fast. Broiest of bro foods right here. It's not that hard. Anyway, we got the most broiest of bro foods right here. Ground turkey and some white rice with some veggies. Simple, 500 calories total. Do you gotta eat like this? No. You can eat ground turkey, you can have chicken, you can have salmon. You don't even have to have meat if you're not a meat eater. My whole point is, this is food that I already prepped. This is what I would like to eat. I've had several different things. This is just what it is right now. Sometimes the issue is you're such in a routine meal prepping that you don't expand or you have a food that's real easy for you to make. For me, it's ground turkey and rice. So sometimes when I'm pressed for time, I don't mind eating this for a few days. So I just whip it up and then we're good for the week. Will it be this next week? We'll find out. But for now, it's ground turkey and rice. Most important thing, we got the water. Cheers. All right, squad, so it's getting a little bit late. Your boy's running off of negative sleep. So we're gonna have this last meal and call it a night. What we got, some low carb tacos, some chicken, light cheese, and chipotle sauce. Total 520 calories. And of course, we're gonna wash it all down with some Halo Top, 160 calories. But most importantly, we gotta have our water. Cheers. So once we tally everything up, that's roughly 3,300 calories. For me, it's much easier to stay on track when I prep my meals, and I would assume it's the same for most people. So you can eat out, but it's much easier to stay on track when you're in control of what you're eating and you're prepping what you're eating. Regardless, to each his own. So until next time, peace.